You're going to do a max effort on your first set of chin-ups. You're going to rest for a few minutes, and you're going to do a max effort on your first set of push-ups. Because you got to get a minimum of 10. If you get 19 down to 10, you're going to drop down by 1 rep per set. So that means 5 sets. If you got 19 reps, you do 19 on your first set, 18, then 17, 16, and 15. Okay? The goal is to not break your sets. The push-ups, let's say if you got in the 30s, then you would go down by 3s. If you got in the 40s, you go down by 4s. 20s, you go down by 2s. That's how this works. And the goal Okay, now what's the core BUYOUT? It's Sally floor leg raises. Stability.